Tower, Gadget 7 Papa November, send to request startup.
Gadget 7 Papa November, information India QNH1014, startup approved, calling CTOT.
Startup is approved, QNH 1014, Gadget 7 Papa November.
Ground cockpit.
Yes, hello, brake set.
Pre-departure checks are completed, all doors and hatches are closed and secured, engines are ready for startup.
Start number 2.
Jūsų pačių saugumui prašome vadovautis visais lėktuve esančiais ženklais ir palidovo nurodymais.
Start number 1.
One is clear. Captain,
Yes.
there is a very small leak under the first engine. Should we wait or no?
We know it's okay.
Okay.
Ground, we have 2 good stars. You may disconnect. See you in front.
Have a nice flight, bye bye.
Thank you, goodbye. Laps 5. Check. Check. So, checklist please.
Generators
On.
probe heat,
On.
anti-ice,
Off.
isolation valve,
Auto.
engine set switches,
Continuous.
recall,
Check.
auto brake,
RTO.
engine set levers,
Idle.
flaps,
Fire required. 5 selected. 5 green light.
flight controls,
Check.
ground equipment.
Clear left.
Info taxi checklist.
Call for taxi.
Gadget 7 Papa November, send to request taxi.
Gadget 7 Papa November, taxi holding point runway 04 via taxiway Juliet, next Alpha.
Juliet Alpha to holding point runway 04, Gadget 7 Papa November.
Lights on. Config check.
Clear right. Juliet Alpha. They don't see it.
Take a moment to review safety information using the safety card located in your seat area.
Burgas Tower, operational sonar on vacated via taxi.
Šalia jūsų vietos. Joje rasta informacija apie lėktuvo avarinius išėjimus, deguonies sistemą, gelbėjimosi liemenes bei...
Good.
Euro ATC. Hello, hello.
Giedrė, cabin secure.
Thank you. Bye.
See ya.
Cabin secured.
Very good. Ready for departure.
Gadget 7 Papa November, ready for departure.
Gadget 7 Papa November, line up runway 04, clear for takeoff, wind 110 degrees, 11 knots, bye bye.
Clear for takeoff and line up runway 04, Gadget 7 Papa November, thank you, have a good day.
Confirm clear to enter.
Clear to enter runway
Runway 04 identified. Approach area clear.
0.
Before takeoff, procedures checklist.
Flaps.
5 green lights.
Stabilize trim.
6 units.
Cabin.
Security.
TICAS.
TRA.
Before takeoff checklist completed.
Thank you.
So in case of engine failure, 5 miles and then to the right.
090.
090.
MSA 4000.
Yeah. The runway is clear.
Your controls.
My control, your radio. Timing.
Stabilized.
Set takeoff thrust.
Thrust set.
Checked.
Eight knots.
Checked.
V1. Rotate. Positive rate.
Gear up. Well enough. Enough speeds.
Checked.
Good day, approach, get jet 7 Papa November, airborne, crossing 1000, climbing 6000.
Get Jet 7 Papa November Burgas approach identified, climb on restricted flight level 160.
Unrestricted climb level 160, get jet 7 Papa November.
Set 160. Oh, that's strict.
160 set.
Check. Flaps 1
Speed check. Flaps 1.
and 1.
Flaps 1 set.
And flaps up.
Speed check. Flaps up. Flaps up, no lights.
And after takeoff checklists.
After takeoff, engine bleeds on, packs auto, landing gear up and off, flaps up, no lights, stand by for altimeters.
Yeah, we can set standard.
Yeah.
Passing flight level 031 now.
Checked. So
Thank
standard
you.
set, after takeoff checklist completed and full climb thrust.
Thank you.
Get Jet 7 Papa November, climb flight level 240.
Climb level 240, get jet 7 Papa November.
Command A 240 set.
Checked.
Command.
Altimeters.
Flight level 100.
Lights off, belts still on. Pressure, cabin climbing, fuel checked, CPU off, air conditioning checked. Flight level 100 checked.
Okay.
Takeoff at 4-5.